How to prevent diabetes complications. Diabetes is a chronic condition that affects millions of people worldwide. Managing diabetes effectively is crucial to preventing complications that can impact your quality of life. Complications from diabetes can affect various parts of your body, including your eyes, kidneys, nerves, and heart. However, with proper care and lifestyle adjustments, you can minimize the risk of these complications. In this video, we will explore key strategies to prevent diabetes complications. Monitor blood sugar levels. Regular monitoring of blood sugar levels is essential for managing diabetes. Keeping your blood sugar within the target range helps prevent complications. Use a glucose meter to check your blood sugar levels as recommended by your healthcare provider. Recording your readings in a journal or app can help you and your healthcare team identify patterns and make necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. Follow a balanced diet. A balanced diet is fundamental in managing diabetes. Focus on eating whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid high sugar and processed foods that can cause spikes in blood sugar levels. Incorporate fiber-rich foods into your diet, as fiber helps control blood sugar levels and promotes a feeling of fullness. Aim for at least 25-30 grams of fiber daily. Exercise regularly. Regular physical activity is crucial for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate exercise each week. Activities such as brisk walking, cycling, swimming, or any form of exercise you enjoy can help your body use insulin more effectively. Exercise also has additional benefits, including weight management and improved cardiovascular health. Keep up with medical checkups. Regular medical checkups are vital for monitoring your overall health and detecting any early signs of complications. Visit your healthcare provider as recommended and get routine tests to check your eyes, feet, kidneys, and cardiovascular system. Early detection of complications can lead to timely interventions and better outcomes. Take medications as prescribed. Adhering to your prescribed medication regimen is crucial for managing diabetes effectively. Medications help control blood sugar levels, and any changes should be made under the guidance of your healthcare provider. If you experience any side effects or have concerns about your medications, discuss them with your doctor before making any adjustments. Manage stress. Stress can have a significant impact on blood sugar levels. Finding ways to manage stress is important for overall health. Practice relaxation techniques such as yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises. Additionally, ensure you have a strong support system, whether it's friends, family, or a mental health professional, to help you navigate stressful situations. Stay hydrated. Drinking plenty of water is essential for maintaining healthy blood sugar levels. Proper hydration supports overall health and helps your body function optimally. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water per day, and more if you are active or in a hot climate. Educate yourself. Knowledge is power when it comes to managing diabetes. Stay informed about the latest research, treatments, and lifestyle tips for diabetes management. Joining diabetes support groups, either online or in person, can provide valuable insights and a sense of community. Sharing experiences with others who have diabetes can also offer support and motivation. Final thoughts. Preventing diabetes complications requires a proactive approach to managing your condition. By monitoring your blood sugar levels, following a balanced diet, exercising regularly, keeping up with medical checkups, taking medications as prescribed, managing stress, staying hydrated, and educating yourself, you can significantly reduce the risk of complications. Remember, managing diabetes is a lifelong journey, and each positive step you take contributes to a healthier future. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe our channel ZeroDiabetes Zone and share it with others who might benefit. Stay healthy and take care.